Morning students. In our previous video, what we have done, students, we have done some activities. Yes, I think we have done what is the meaning of convex and concave polygon, how to find the convex and concave polygon. Okay students, now in today's video we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is understanding shape. Okay, in that we will learn what is polygon and how the polygon look like. Yes students, then types of polygons. When we done that activity, in that activity I told you what is the meaning of polygon and how to find which are convex and concave polygon. Okay students, but in today's video I will show the definitions of polygon and convex and concave polygon. Okay students, now let's see polygon. More than 4 sides. Now you can see how many sides are there, 5. So this is called pentagon. Okay, if a figure has 6 sides, that is called hexagon, and if the size has 8, then that is called octagon. Okay students, now let's take, this is triangle, these are the quadrilaterals, all are the examples of polygon. What is the meaning of polygon? You can see these figures are closed figure. Yes, that means a simple closed figure formed by line segment in the same plane. Okay, if the figure is made by line segments in the same plane and that should be closed figure, then that is called the polygon. Okay students, now the structure of polygon. Okay students, just now we seen what is the definition of polygon. Polygon is a closed figure. Yes students, now we will see the structure of polygon. Okay, see, this is the structure of polygon. This is first triangle, second is rectangle, then this is a figure. All are closed figure. Yes, they are complex. Why they are complex? Because they are cutting to each other, they are some like different. These are the simple. Yes, this is called simplex form, this is called complex form, but all these are an example of polygon. Why? Because they are closed figure. Yes, they are closed, they are not open from any side. Okay students, if you can see the first one, it is closed whole complete. In the second, third, fourth and in the fifth also, all are closed figures. Yes students, so they are called polygons. If the figure is closed figure and all it is made by a line segment, then that is called the then that is called the polygon, then not a polygon. Now we will see which are the examples of not a polygon. Okay, now we will see if the figure is of open figure or curved figure. That means any figure that is open from one side or it has a curve in shape, then that are not a polygon. Now you can see these two examples, they are open from one side. Yes, the first figure is open from right side, open it is, and the second figure is open from left side. Yes students, so these are not polygons. Okay, if the figure is open from one side, so they are not polygon. Okay, and suppose if the figure has curve. What is the meaning of curve? Yes students, you have seen the circle. Yes, circle, see circle is in curve shape. Yes, so it is not an example of polygon. Okay students, it is not a polygon. Second example, in that 3 lines are line segment, but see the upper face, it is curved, so it is not a polygon. Okay students, understand the meaning of polygon, which are polygon, which are not a polygon. Okay, if we see which figures are there, then they forms a polygon, which forms a polygon. Okay, basic meaning of polygon is poly means many. Okay, and gon means angle. Okay, many angle. If there are many angles are formed in a figure, then that figure is called Yes, polygon, but that should be not open. You can see here, these are the closed figures. Yes, students, if the closed figure, now see angles. There are so many angles in each figure. See in this figure also, in only first figure, open figure, angle is there, but that is not the example of polygon. Understand the meaning of polygon? And angle are there. In this circle, angle is not there. Yes, so it is not polygon. Yes, understand, if there are no angles or no if there is a closed figure, then that is polygon. Okay, students, understand? Now classification of polygon, we will classify which are polygons and which are not polygons. Okay, now polygon, there are two types of polygon. Which are two types? Regular polygon, yes, and irregular polygons. Now we will see which are regular and which are irregular. Now you can see on the screen 4 figures I have drawn here in a regular. Yes or no? We have to all sides. If the all sides of a closed figure is equal, then that is called regular. And all angles also. Okay, students, if all angles are equal, then they are called regular polygon. Angles and side should be equal, then that is called the regular polygon. And what about irregular? Irregular means suppose one side is equal, one side is not equal, or angles are different, then they are called irregular polygon. Rectangle is an example of irregular. Angles are not equal in that. In rectangle, angles are equal, but the sides are not equal. Okay, any of these condition is not satisfied, then they are called irregular polygon. If both the conditions are satisfied by a closed figure, then that figure is called regular. Understand the structure of polygon, closed figure. Yes, what is the meaning of closed figure? Close means it is not open from any side. Okay, now which are not polygons? If they have open figure or any curve shape is there, then they are called not polygon. They are not polygon. Okay, and we have also learned what is, yes, types. Yes, which types? Regular and irregular. Yes, students, what is regular, what is irregular? In a regular, all sides. Now in this figure you can see, yes, now regular, which are regular? If all sides are equal and all angles are equal, then they are called regular. And if the lines and angles are not equal, then they are called irregular polygon. Okay, students, understand? Now you can see this is an example of polygon. Yes, you can see this is the red marks. It is closed figure, so it is called polygon, and it is made up of by line segment. These are line segments. Yes, students, with the help of line segments it is made, so it is called polygon. Now in these two figures are there, both are polygons. Okay, both are polygons because they are line segment. It is made by line segment. Now see, all sides are equal in first figure and angles are 90 degrees. All angles are equal, so what it is called? Yes, it is regular polygon. Why? Because all sides are equal and all angles are equal. That's why they are called regular polygon. Yes, now in the second figure you can see these sides are equal. No, the sides are not equal. That's why they are not called regular. See, the angles are also not equal. Not angles are equal, no sides are equal. So it is an example of which? Yes, students, it is an example of irregular polygon, because the polygon with unequal sides or angles are called irregular polygon. Okay, students, understand? Now some figures I have shown here, we have to verify which are regular and which are irregular. Now we have to classify. Now see, I have made two columns. First is regular polygon column, second is irregular. We have to check out of his first figure. See, triangle, all sides equal, angles are equal, so it is regular polygon. Now see second one. We have to check all sides are equal. No, all sides are not equal, so it should be which? It should be irregular. Yes students, like this we have to classify which are irregular and which are regular. Now you can see the third figure. All sides are equal. Now see the angles. If the angles are also equal, with the help of protractor you can use protractor. Now this is an example of regular polygon because all angles are also equal and sides are also equal. Now let's take another example. These two are also regular polygon because all sides and all angles are equal. Now see this figure. This figure having all sides equal. Yes, sides are equal, but what about angle? Angles are equal? No, angles are not equal. Yes students, so it is irregular polygon. Now see the, let's take another. Sides are equal? Yes, the sides are equal, but what about the angle? Angle is not equal, so it is irregular. Understand? Now the last is a rectangle. In rectangle, angles are equal, all angles are 90 degree, but what about the sides? Are the sides equal? No, the sides are, all sides are not equal, so it is irregular polygon. Understand how to classify regular and irregular? Yes. Now one more type is there, convex and concave polygon. Just now we learned the irregular and regular polygon. Now we will see the convex and concave polygon. All its interior angles less than 180. Okay, if the all angles are less than 180 and if all the vertices of the polygon will outward, then that are called convex. And what about concave? What about concave polygon? If at least one angle is greater than 180, yes, at least one interior angle is greater than 180, then these are called concave polygon. In the activity we learn this thing. Yes, and all the sides pushed towards the, that means inside the polygon. That is the definition of concave and convex polygon. Understand?